is Sai Fanindra from SQL School, and I assure you, practice-oriented classes from scratch from today need your support. Number one, write your observation notes, only keywords if possible. Number two, WhatsApp me immediately after the class your observation notes, please. This way we can stay tuned with the proceedings of my classes. What is database? It's a vast platform to store any type of data like passwords, QR codes, audio, video files, any type and any amount of data, practically speaking, unlimited data. So from today, we are going to start creating our own databases practically, step by step. But before we start creating databases, we need the environment, we need the software. And that software is called DBMS, Database Management System. Using this software that we are going to install today, we are going to learn how to play with databases. Once we install the software, we'll see the concepts of SQL, variants of SQL, and lot more. Let's get started with our installation. Either you would like to become a DBA or a data engineer or a combo ETL admin job role or data analyst, engineer with analyst, BI developer job role. All of us have common concepts to start with. That is the basic activities from today with architecture, detailed architecture, tuning, procedures, and other concepts. Let's step into database concepts from second half of the class today. Before that, let's start installation. Let's observe it carefully, how to proceed with the installation process first. Throughout our classes from today, I need to provide you the concept first, repeat it next, then we go for questions. Concept first, repeat, then we go for questions. During repetition, please, you need to sing with me. Let's get started slowly. You see my screen, everyone, please? The lab plan for our classes. Yes, please. My document, Word document.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes.
Perfect. Good
Yes,
to
yes.
go. Perfect. Good to go. So here it is. I'll provide you this complete notes anyway. Sorry for the sounds. I'll mute that mic. I'll provide you this complete notes on email. Let's get started. So let's install 2022 first. Install 2019 next. Okay. Once we install 2022, 2019, then we need to slowly see how to verify the installations. Once you verify installations, whatever installations you do locally, the two green items, you also need to have connection to my online server. We are going to work with all these three servers for our course. One is not enough. We need all three, especially for concepts like linked servers, distributed transactions. We need multiple servers. Two locally installed in your computer. One remotely connected from our data center. Two locally installed, which are free in your computer. Other one, remote connection licensed copy. Let's get started. The prerequisite for installations: Windows 8 or higher operating system, 6 gig RAM, 10 gig disk space, any processor that supports that Windows operating system on my screen now. If you are using MacBook, please enable Windows inside your Mac or install a VM virtual machine, and on top of VM get your Windows OS if you are using MacBook. Let's see. Let's understand the installation process. Remember, there are free editions and paid licensed editions of SQL Server. Free editions: evaluation, 6 months trial, developer, lifelong free. These two we are going to install today: evaluation and developer. There is a very basic lifetime free edition called Express. This is not going to support our classes. Just listing it for our theory understanding. Licensed copies. Our online server would be Enterprise Edition. There are a lot of differences between free, left, and paid, right. We need to learn those differences as well. And here is the average cost per processor license, just to get some idea. Now let's see how to do the installation. I'll show you, I'll repeat it, you'll do it after the class. Please stay tuned. Good to write your observation notes, please. My kind request. Just keywords, okay? And you'll WhatsApp me after the class. Detailed installation. Firstly, you download the software. You'll go to this website link, sqlschool.com downloads. I'll provide you all this information on email anyway. Once you go to this website, download one server first. 2022, 19, 17, 16. You got the drive links. Click on, for example, 2022. Once you download, you get one file. You need to extract. Right click the file, extract. Once you extract, then you get a folder like this. Double click on the setup file. Once you extract the folder, once you extract the downloaded file, you get a folder. Inside folder, double click on the setup file. Then I will show you now how to click on installation, new installation. Then accept licensing terms. Database engine for OLTP. What is this? Online transaction processing. It is a type of database. We call it OLTP database. For OLTP databases to store live real-time data. We'll select database engine, installation name, give the installation name, add current user as administrator, and install like this. That's it, you are done. Very simple and straight. Before I show you the installation, a small preview once again. database engine, installation name, and admin name. Add current user as admin. Database engine, installation name, add current user as admin. That's it. Let me show you the installation process now. I'll repeat it, then we go for questions afterwards. Here we go. Firstly, you download this software. I downloaded it, and here you go. This one. Download this software, right click, extract. Once we extract, we get a folder. What we do? Yes, double click on this setup file, this one. Double click on the setup file. I repeat, very simple friends. I'll repeat again. Download, okay? Right click, extract. You'll see extract all or extract here. Then you get one directory, a folder. Double click into the folder. You should see setup file. Double click on the setup file. You get one installation center. Left side installation, right side new installation. Okay, like this. Left side installation, right new installation, in this way. Installation left, new installation right. Once we click on installation left, new installation right, next step. Next. Let's wait for a few moments. Installation left, new installation right. Here it is, perform new installation. Next. Click on in the next. This is evaluation, means 6 months trial. It is evaluation, the 6 months trial edition. Simply leave it as it is for now. Next. Accept licensing terms. Next. See here, accept licensing terms and next. Uncheck Azure. Next. Everything into your notes. You'll follow it carefully as it is. Here we are right now. So far, accept licensing terms. Next. Uncheck Azure. Okay. Next. Select a database engine. Next. This one, database engine, and next. Then comes installation name. Screen 5. Installation name. Any name is okay, no problem. In our example, I'll call it as, I'll say SQL School Lab 1. Give some name. Any name is okay. Any name is okay. And click next. You give the name, you get same text as ID automatically. I repeat again. You give some name, you get the same text as ID automatically. Click next. Last final screen. Remember, database engine, installation name, last final screen. You get the screen once you click next. Here, add current user. So this user, whichever user I logged in, this user would be the admin for this particular server we're installing right now. So we're installing one RDBMS, one DBMS software to play with databases. Click install. I'll repeat once again this entire process for the second server process, second server installation activities. I'll repeat it again. Before that, remember what we did so far. Here it is. We just downloaded the software, right click, extract. Then we get one folder with a setup file, double click the setup file. Okay, next. What else? Once you double click the setup file, then installation left, new installation right. Accept licensing terms, uncheck Azure. This one you will see only for 2022. You will not see it for older versions. 2022 is the latest version. We'll configure this later. For now, uncheck. Next, select database engine for live OLTP. Installation name. You give your own name. There is something called default. We'll take it in next few minutes today. Then add current user as administrator. There should be at least one admin for this server. Add current user and finally install. Just click on install. So we're almost done with the first server installation. Then we'll proceed to revise it, repeat it for the second server installation. So here is the roadmap. Install SQL Server 2022 for our practice items from today, 6 months trial. Evaluation. Install 2019 second server. And this will be developer edition. This will be developer edition. Next. From here, installation, new installation, developer edition, and database engine. Remember, Azure option will not be available for 2019. Earlier I said lab 1, now you will say lab 2. Give some name, any name is okay. Add current user as admin, install. Now, restart your computer. Once you complete the 2 installations, restart your computer. You will do all these after the class today. So my first server is almost done. Let me start the second server installation process in the meantime. Then we go for questions. Remember, we're installing total of 2 servers for more practice. Here it is. First server done. Now we're installing the second server in our computer. Okay, let's see. Download. And once you download, see here like this. Right click, extract. Right click, extract. you get a folder like this. Go into the folder, this one, okay, setup application file. So what we do, simply double click and you get one installation center screen like this. You see the version number, okay, bottom left. Earlier 2022, now 2019. You can install them in any order. 2019 first, 22 next, or vice versa. But make sure the previous installation is successful. Close to proceed with the new installation. Come on friends, what's the next step? Please help me. Yes, how to do the installation, please? We'll go slowly step by step. Please, I'll wait.
Click on installation.
Installation. Yes.
New SQL Server standalone.
New SQL Server, exactly. First option, okay. New SQL Server installation. Next. Product update optional. Yes. Next.
Perform new installation.
Yeah. Let's continue. Perform new installation. Next.
Developer edition.
Exactly. First one, evaluation. Okay. 6 months trial. Now developer, lifelong free. Please. Sorry, some background sounds there. Please kindly check your mic, please. Yes, friends, everyone, are you getting it? Please, I'll wait. Please, I'll wait.
Yeah, we're getting.
Yes. License.
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect, sir. Perfect. Let's continue. We need to learn the differences between them as well. We'll do. Amarasvi, background sound there, please. Mic. Thank you. Well, let's continue. And few attendees joined bit late today. Please, from tomorrow, please be on time. Please help me. For now, I'll click on developer and next. Accept licensing terms. Next. Come on, what we need to do here, please? I'll wait.
Select database engine services. Data. Yeah.
Others, please. You remember everyone?
Yeah, database engine services. You have to select.
Exactly.
First option.
Perfect. Exactly. We need to select database engine services. DB engine. Come on, friends. What's the purpose of database engine, please? Please, what's the purpose?
OLTP.
Exactly. OLTP. Okay. Live. Online transaction processing database. Simply say real-time data. To support real-time data, OLTP, database engine. Same way, in your later classes, you have something called OLAP, Online Analytical Processing Database, Analysis Services. For now, database engine. Next. Click on next.
Give installation name as SQL 2 or Lab 2.
Yep. Provide the installation name. Exactly. Okay. Provide the required installation name. Any name is okay. Earlier I said SQL School or this one, Lab 1 I said, right? SQL School Lab 1. So now I'll write it as SQL School Lab 2. Give some name. Any name is okay. Next. You get one ID automatically. you don't want to give the name, then you choose default. Default means you get the name automatically, or you choose your own name. Anything is okay, no problem. And
Right.
next, bypass the screen for now. Next. Come on, friends, what we have to do here, please?
Add current user.
Thank you, attendee has been responsive for last few minutes. Yes, add current user as administrator. There is something called mixed mode authentications and all. We'll take them slowly with examples. For now, just add current user. If I don't add current user, directly say next, I get error. Missing system administrator account. See here. So what we need to do? We need to have at least one admin user. For now, I'll say add current user as admin. Next. Finally, install. Okay. Earlier we installed 2022. Now we're installing 2019. Same process. Once your installation of the servers is complete, these two, better to restart your computer. I'll wait for some time. Please go through the server 1, server 2 setup process. I will wait before we test the connections. Please, any questions here, let me know. I'll wait. Mic with everyone, please, let me know.
Sir, do you want me to install both servers right now?
Yeah, after the class, my dear friend, after the class, okay? Before tomorrow's class, I'll provide you all these notes anyway. Yeah.
Sure. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I missed some steps from the middle. What should I do?
I'll take care of it after the class today. Leave it to me. Leave it. No issues. Yep. I'll provide the video anyway, okay? I request you to refer to the notes if possible and patch up the things. If required, refer to the video so that you practice it. Get ready for tomorrow's class, okay? Please.
Okay.
Thank you. Others, please go through server 1, server 2. Please, any questions, let me know. We'll learn step by step.
Hello, Sai sir, Abhishek here. I'm just wondering, right, what was the reason for first instance we did evaluation and for second one developer?
Yes, to understand the differences, Abhishek, in our later classes. What's there in evaluation, what's not there in developer, and vice versa, differences. And also 2020 to 2019 differences. We need to run those things carefully. Getting it?
Yes.
Yeah. Edition comparison, version comparison. Okay, both we need to learn. Yes.
Okay. And whether we're gonna be able to change that evaluation to developer later? I mean to say after 6 months.
Yeah, we can. I'll be showing you the edition upgrades. It is possible. We can. Yeah. Versions can be changed, upgrade. Edition can also be changed. Yes, you can.
Okay.
Next question, please. I'll wait.
Hi, Sai. So what if we already have this SQL server installed in our system? Do we need to follow any other steps?
Yeah, you might already have one server with you, my dear friend. So install the second one. Okay, that's enough. Yeah.
Oh,
For our class. Yeah. Next question, please. I'll wait.
Yeah, do we have any steps for Linux machine?
We cannot actually. We cannot. Let me tell you why. Prerequisite. Windows OS required. Okay. Linux will not support this evaluation, developer, etc. Yes, in my classes, I have separate set of steps. Could you please mute your mic, friends? Sandy, please. Background sound, sir, please. Thank you. There is something called Red Hat Linux. What is it? Red Hat Linux. There are separate steps for Red Hat Linux. we do, and that actually won't work for evaluation or developer. Red Hat Linux is installed on 2017 or higher versions of SQL Server, but that requires VM, virtual machines, with separate set of network requirements. For your regular local practice, Windows OS mandatory. My dear friend, it's mandatory. Yes, for all our classes. Okay, next question, please. I'll wait, friends.
So yesterday you shared this installation document.
Yes.
So in that for server 2, you were saying like choose mixed mode, set
I will
password.
take it. Yes, I also mentioned about it a few minutes back. I said like I'll take it separately later because I was not able to send this document yesterday for all of our participants because we are not really sure about their attendance for the first class today. So leave it to me, madam. We'll take it. Okay, give me some time. We'll do. Leave it to me. Mostly 2-3 classes.
I did the installation today based on this document. So
not a problem. Not a
problem. Okay.
No issues. Okay, leave it. No problem. Yep. I told you not to do any installations until we do in the class, right? Yeah, please. Anyway, please. Better step by step, friends. Please. We'll do. Next question, please. I'll wait. Please.
Hey, Sai, Repeat.
Please
So later on, if we take the Azure as well, so you're going to go over the
Exactly. Hence, I was mentioning it. We shall do it later. This is for you.
So you don't want us to do it right now then?
No. And if we start doing it, it'll ask you for credit card details. Okay. And again, story stops there.
Got it.
So better leave it. Yeah. I'll show you how to skip the card details and all those stuff. Later, we'll do one by one. We'll do one by one. Surely. Next question, please.
Yeah, hi, sir.
Yeah, please tell me, Sandy. Yes, please. Yeah.
It's going to mute. Yes, here the admin user is going to take the current user, right?
Yes, you're right.
So
exactly.
how can we find that the admin users who are there? What is the current user ID that it's automatically taking up of?
Is the current this one, my dear friend? So you go to your computer, like you'll be logging in with your user, right? Windows user. So that currently logged in Windows user will be taken as admin automatically. However, you can also browse and add whichever user you want in that particular screen. Yep.
Can we add another users as well?
Yes, we can add any number of users over there. Any valid Windows users you can add. Yes.
So is that where can we add that additional number of users?
It's too early to answer your question now. You give me time.
Okay.
We have a separate activity called security later classes. There I can happily answer your question. How to add users, how to make use of something called orphan users, right? Those are all very important for us. Of course, everything is important. We are learning the things one by one. Give me space, give me time, I can take it. Yes, next question, please. Next question, please. Quick, please. Yes.
Sai, when we do when we're into the process with learning.
Yes.
And when we do an upgrade or move a database, you'll go over how to attach all the orphan users, right? You just talked about orphan users, so that came to my mind.
I'm supposed to. Hence, I was showing you the notes directly here. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. We'll do. Okay. Yes. We'll do carefully all those items. Well, next question, please. I'll wait. Fine. Let's continue. Once you complete the server's installation, you restart the computer, then we need to install a tool also, SQL Server Management Studio. What is this? It is a free tool. Please check your mic, please. Background sound, please. It's a free tool. Srikanth, I muted you from my end, my dear friend. Please help me. Kindly recheck your mic, please. Srikanth G. Sorry, Sasikant G. Sasikant, please help me. Some background sound there. I'll continue, friends. So here we go. We need to install this free tool called SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio. This free tool is used to connect to the previously installed two servers. Few minutes back we installed them. So we are going to connect and perform storage, retrieval, management activities using SQL. So download SSMS from this particular website link. Double click on the SSMS install, this one. I'll show you here. Let me take you to my software. Just to save time, I got my downloads ready. Double click on the setup file. Okay, first time you will see install. Just click on install. I'm showing you the interface with something called repair. In your case, it will say install. You get like this. And you know, this will take somewhere between 15 to 30 minutes. Sometimes even 40 minutes. The tool will take longer time. Servers, not even 2 to 3 minutes each. 2 servers. But tool will take longer time. Once it is installed, again you need to restart your computer. After restarting your computer, you may get repair screen. Don't care it, close it. Do not click on repair, just close the window. And now, once your installation of the tool is also done, it's time for you to test the installations. You'll do all these after the class today. I'll provide you these notes on email. Please take a print copy of the notes if possible, please. How to test or verify installations, or how to test connections to the server. Go to apps, search, type SSMS. What is that? Servers, 2 servers ready, 1 tool ready. Then go to search, type there SSMS. This one. 1 tool is enough. For every version of SQL Server, Microsoft releases SSMS also. See, 2022, it's SSMS. 2019, it's SSMS. 17, 16, like this. We are working with the latest one, 2022. One SSMS is enough. Multiple servers that can be connected using one single SSMS, just like multiple websites, single browser. Same way, multiple servers, one single SSMS tool. Windows app search, type SSMS, this one. Okay, next. Search SSMS, and then we don't know the server name, but you remember, everyone, please, we have something called database engine, OLTP component, right? Database engine, please. You remember this, everyone, please. I will wait. This one. Yes, Abhishek, Akshata,
Yes.
Amar, Aarti, yes, Bhupati, others, please. I'll wait.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Perfect. Perfect.
Yes.
Let's complete. Yes. Select server name. We don't know the server name. Drop down, browse for more. Expand database engine. These are the two servers we installed today. In my case, I see more number of servers from my previous batches. Ignore them. For our batch, from tomorrow, here it is. These two servers. Lab 1, okay. Trust, connect. You are done. I'll repeat again. Come on, friends. What we have to search? SSMS, right? Type SSMS. Okay. Launch SSMS. Once you launch SSMS, we don't know the server name. Drop down, browse for more. Expand database engine. Select the first server. Okay. Trust server certificate. Connect. Okay. I repeat, connect the database engine. Drop down. See, browse for more. Expand database engine, second server. Okay. Trust. Click on trust. Connect like this. Observe carefully. So first server 16. Remember 16 means 2022. 15 means 2019. So one tool, two servers. Shall I repeat again? Please let me know how to connect to the server. Shall I repeat again, or are we?
No, please. No, please. Yeah, continue.
Others, please.
Yes, sir. How many
I'll continue. Next. Here it is, friends. What we are learning. Let's go slowly. Nothing to hurry. Windows app search. Give the required server name. Browse and connect to the first server. Browse and connect to the second server. Then you also need to connect to our online server. This one. You'll be given the credentials separately on email. Here it is. Connect database engine. You'll be given one server name in the email. Okay, so here it is. You need to simply paste that server name like this. You are connecting to a server which is outside your Windows OS, our remote server. It's outside your Windows network, outside your network. So you need something called SQL authentication. Remember, Windows authentication means to connect to the servers within the reach of your Windows network. Outside your Windows network, you need SQL Server authentication. You'll be given the login name, password, connect. Okay, like this. So yellow to first green, yellow to second green, yellow to blue. So total 3 servers from one single tool, SQL Server Management Studio. See here, yellow to first green, yellow to second green, yellow to blue. Whatever servers we installed, we call them instances. Instance means a successful installation of SQL Server. Up to 50 instances we can install per OS. For example, today I said SQL School Lab 1, Lab 2. Yes, and mentioned it as Lab 1 today, and other one called Lab 2. Okay, like this. Now, from here, any name is okay, but remember, no space in the instance name. There cannot be any space. And types of instances. What are these? One of the leftover screen today, this one, screen 5. We have two types of instances, default, named. What's the difference between them? Yes, default means the instance name comes automatically MS SQL Server. Named means you provide your own name during installation, like SQL School Lab 1, Lab 2. Server name would be just computer name if it is default instance. Named instance, computer name / instance name. Databases per instance, 32,767 databases per instance. Here also named 32K. Port 1433, default port for default instance. Named instance, it changes every time you restart your computer. And this port is used for end user applications to connect to the server. See, we are installing the server today, right? Next, we are going to create databases. But how applications and users access this database and the server? Using port. Default port 1433. Named instance, it changes every time you restart your computer. That's why in real world, mostly we use production environment default. Named instance for development and testing activities. Default instance, enterprise. Named instance, evaluation or developer. So this is what we installed today, and this will be our online server. And up to 1 default, up to 50 named per OS. 1 default, 50 named. From here, you will be installing named instances, and I'll be providing you the default instance. And what else we did today? After installation, we did the connection, right? That is called authentication. Authentication is communication path between users or applications and SQL Server. Authentication types, Windows authentication, only Windows users can connect. SQL authentication, any user can connect to the server, Android, iOS, Mac, etc. I repeat, authentication, communication path between users or applications and SQL Server. Windows authentication means only Windows users can connect. SQL authentication means any user can connect. So remember, SQL Server installation requires Windows, but connection, any OS user can connect. That is what SQL authentication means. This one. See, SQL authentication means any user can connect from any network. From here, what we learned so far? Yes, we learned how to do the installation process. Next, There are few more important vocabulary. We'll be taking it next tomorrow to slowly start our practice. Okay, we'll do one by one slowly. From now, until now, any questions, let me know, please. I will wait. I'll show you once again how to verify the installation. Before that, any questions, please? I'll wait.
So I'm good with the two server. Oh, sorry. You guys carry on.
No, it's yeah, I just have one question. Since I haven't received the first class, so I am little bit that, like, I'm not getting too much of it. But as you told me that you will give the recorded video, so I will try my best. But little bit of things I'm not getting it.
I understand, madam. Now you need to go through the video carefully once, and hope you are writing your observation notes, right? Let me know.
Yes.
Perfect. Then you are in a correct class. I understand 90% of the participants are new to database and attending for the first time. So we'll take it from scratch carefully. I'll provide the video and notes. I request you to go through it carefully and do reach me directly. Call me for clarifications. Okay, I'll be helping you.
Okay, thank you so much for that. Thank you.
Perfect. Next question, please. I will wait.
Yeah. So I'm good with the two servers. I'm going to put in my computer. It's all right. So if I connect from to your server, is there any problem if I connect from other country?
No problem. It's a remote server, my dear friend. Yeah.
Sorry?
It's a complete access is there. No problem.
I mean, some people won't give a permission to other countries, right? That's why I'm asking.
Oh, no, it's not like that. Okay. We cannot
it's all right.
restrict like that.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Fine. Yeah. Any more questions?
Yes. So can we have one default instance and one named instance in our single OS?
We can. Okay. No problem, Mahesh. It works. Yeah.
One more question. So do you have two default instances, for example, for 2022 and 2019? Different versions?
No. Only one per OS, not per version. Okay. One per OS. Per OS. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Right. Thank you.
Great. Next question, please. I will wait. Fine.
Hi. One second. Last question.
Tell me.
Which is the best time to contact you for any doubts, anything?
Indian time, lunch time, dinner time. I'll be free. Okay. Indian time, lunch and dinner time. I'll be free. Yes.
Yeah, like lunchtime in the sense 12 to 2 or 1 to 2.
Sir, it's not a big problem. 12 to 2 is also 12 to 3 is also okay. Not a big deal.
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Yeah,
fine.
I can extend my bracket. Not a problem. No issues. My time bracket.
Okay, sir. Thank you. I'll just give you. And also, when can I receive the recording for this installation?
In another 30 minutes max. My team will take care of it. They'll send it for everyone.
Sure. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes, friends. Others, please let me know. I'll wait.
So end date for this course is gonna be like in October, right? I mean November.
Yes. November. Yes.
Oh, good.
So we have to be ready with the installation tomorrow, right?
Please, at least one server, get it ready by tomorrow. Okay. This week we'll take first server concepts. By second week, we need to have all 3 servers. Okay. By second.
So for now, we have to focus on server 1, right?
Yeah. Good to install both. It will be like a revision for you, right? But yes, at least one server required, please.
Okay. That's it. Thank you.
Friends, I'll repeat once again how to connect to these 3 servers. Okay, just to make it clear. And I'm composing the email with the notes and assignments for today's class anyway. But before that, let me show you how to repeat. Come on, please help me. Please sing with me, please, everyone. How to verify the installations, please. Search. Next. Yes, MS. Okay, this one. Others, please help me. I need to understand, please, how much we learn, please. SSMS, right. Next. Yes. Come on. I got one screen like this. What next? Drop down. Browse for more.
Okay. On database engine.
Click on a database.
Yes, there's some background sound.
SQL School Lab 1.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. And click on Trust Server.
Trust. Okay. Connect.
Connect.
I repeat, database engine. Only first time you have to say browse for more. Subsequent connections directly from the drop down.
Okay.
Connect. And you'll be given online server access on email. SQL authentication. Yes, some background sound. SQL authentication. Sorry for the sounds. Yeah, thank you for muting from yourself. Login name, password, connect like this. Okay. So 1 tool, 3 servers by next week. For tomorrow, at least 1 server, please. Get it ready. 15 means 2019. Right? 16 means 2022. Get 2 servers ready by next week, at least 1 server by tomorrow, please. These notes you can download from my website, sqlschool.com downloads. sqlschool.com downloads. Go to the downloads. You'll be redirected to this particular website link. You have the installation steps and the software download link. We'll stop for now.
Sir, we are downloading 1, 2, 3, 4.
Madam, first 2 are enough, madam. Okay, 2022, 2019. First 2 are enough. I said any one for this week. Okay, for this week, any one. By next week, any other one. Total 2 are enough. Yes.
Okay.
Yep. Next question, please. I will wait.
Yes, Sai. If I type server name as a local host, which one it will connect, Sai? So I have 2 named instances. So which one is going to connect?
None of them. None of them it will connect, sir. I want you to try it. None of them. Sir, that's not the correct process and it won't work here. Okay. Yeah, it won't work always. Let's go standard process. Always. Local host is for default instance. If it is already installed. If it is not installed, it won't work. It won't work. Okay. Yes. I want you to try it. Yep. Next question, please, friends. I'll wait. In the meantime, email sent. Please check with assignments and the notes for today. We'll slowly start our examples tomorrow. Thought of starting today, time did not permit me. We'll install the practice writers from tomorrow anyway. Please check your emails, please. Please, I will wait. Kindly check.
Is there any kind of WhatsApp group for these sessions, or like, you know, for the batch or for you guys?
No, I don't encourage those things at all. No, not required, because I'll be providing everyday assignments to you actually, and interactive attendees will have more information as well. So these kind of like, you know, everyday assignments, additional items for responsive attendees, that kind of competition spirit lacks if I create a WhatsApp group, because
so we are only going with you. Yeah.
Yes, with my team, not just me, my team. Okay, we are here to help.
Yeah.
Okay. Because if I give a WhatsApp group, what happens if I give an assignment? It gets simply shared, right? No, I want you to try from your.
No, not for that. Like because I joined today, I don't know whether what's happening over there. So I'm just asking, like, you guys put any
those
group
kind
or
of non-technical things, you can contact my team, sir. I'm always happy for technical items. Friends, next question, please. Friends, I'll wait, please.
All good, no worries.
Thank you. Friends, next question, please. Let me know, friends. Next question, please. I'll wait. Yeah. Yes, friends, please. Next question. Technical questions, non-technical, no problem. My team is there, friends, and no issues. Okay. Fine. So how many hours you can practice per day, friends? How many hours you can? Mahesh, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, please. Mahesh, 1 minute. Yes, friends, how many hours you can practice per day? Because it's all about practice, right? That's important for us with everyday assignments and additional stuff for doing more. Tell me, minimum 1 hour, everyone, please, minimum 1 hour.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, we'll start doing that in future.
Perfect. Then fine. Yep. Mahesh, sorry to stop you, Mahesh, earlier. Tell me your question, please.
Yeah.
Mahesh.
Yes, sir. So we have a lot of products on the market, these DBMSs. So on what basis we choose a SQL server? For example, I have
Cost.
a B2B. Yeah.
Yes.
Cost. Okay.
Yeah, based on the cost and ease of use, my dear friend. Those two are the main advantages. Yep.
So is the SQL server is cheaper than others?
Exactly, undoubtedly, yes, and also ease of use, easy user interface, highly scalable, you know. Like there are very less number of DBMS that supports end-to-end cloud BI implementation, right? For example, you're installing SQL Server today, you see something called Hadoop, Java, Python, machine learning. Did you observe it? The components are there, right? Yeah, you don't have this kind of flexibility in other DBMS. It's very flexible actually. We have end-to-end BI implementations. We have data science implementations here. That's not the case with other DBMS at all. Let me put this way, my dear friend, on my screen, this one. Very few DBMS have this entire end-to-end implementations. Very few. SQL Server is one of them. Okay. Yep. For example, MySQL, Postgres, they don't have BI at all, right? MySQL don't have BI. Postgres still use Azure only. They don't have their own cloud infrastructure separately. Oracle uses Azure or AWS. Okay, Oracle do not have OLAP components or HTAP components at all. IBM DB2 has, but very, very costly. IBM Cognos BI in cloud. So yes, SQL Server is cheaper, versatile, and ease of use always. Yep.
Got it. Thank you, Shay.
Sir,
You're welcome.
I did not get your email. So what email you are like telling me?
Ideally should be receiving it for sure. Could you please check your spam, junk, promotions, please? I'll wait.
Okay.
Spam,
it's Riti. I need to drop now.
Sure. Thank you, friends. Have a nice time. Thank you so much. And others, any questions, please?
I